hardware point of view, you got the really slim ID, so also the design is really slim, it really fits well in your hand, as you can see. You got 3.2 megapixel camera and completely capacitive screen, touch screen.
How big is this display?
3.2 FVGA screen. So actually the experience is all about mobile internet and personalization of so you can make your phone your home. So actually what you can do is just drag and drop widgets on the screen, or if you want to add any widgets, just drag and drop on the screen. You can have different sections, so you can, for example, just personalize my right section with some photo frames, so you can crop an image and then put on the screen, or you can have your relax corner with all your music stuff and YouTube stuff just to relax. And what's more important is mesh technology. So if you're listening to a song where you're relaxing and you want to know more about
very quick, and also you can click on this and it will show you a square, and then you can drag the zoom square around. Sorry? No, at the moment no, there's no outlet support. So it's got two email clients actually. It's got the Google Mail clients, which you've seen before, and we also have a standard email client as well. It's not set up on this device, but it includes POP3 IMAP 4 support. So if you have a mail account that uses either POP or IMAP, then you can use that as well as a separate mail client. So actually, one of the key differences is there's what we call deferred sign-in. So when you first switch on the device, you can actually skip the sign-in process, and then it's only if you want to use the Google services are you required to then sign in. So that includes Gmail, Market, those services, then you'll have to sign into Gmail. But otherwise, you could use the browser, you could use the search, things like that. So that is a slight difference. So, but to be honest, my honest feeling is you really want to sign in and use the Google services, right? I mean, one of the key values is definitely marketplace. So I can't really see using this device without Market, to be honest.
Can you bring the top keyboard?
Yeah, sure. I'll show you that. So yeah, basically HTC, Vodafone, and Google have all worked on this keyboard.
Would you mind going to a website?
Yeah, sure.
Can you visit ours? It's androidcommunity.com.
Okay, that's fine.
Appreciate it.
Let's search for it.
Yeah, just Android Community. There we go. It's the top search. That's it. And it's the first, should be like, there it is, the first link. Really appreciate this.
No problem.
Let's go into our community site.
Excellent.
We should already have news on this up already.
I think I've got the shots I need, so I'll see you later.
Okay, see you, Sasha. Okay, does it automatically rotate? Like,
it should do.
Okay.
I had some problems with it yesterday, actually, but yeah, it's basically got a geosensor, so when you rotate the screen, it will automatically rotate.
It does have an accelerometer.
Yeah,
excellent.
Yeah, exactly.
Really appreciate this. Oh, that's like a little zoom there you got.
Yeah, so you can drag.
Is that new in this version from the G1?
It's slightly enhanced version, I would describe it as. So, yeah, there you go. There's your website.
Excellent. Any other demo you can show us that might be new on the HTC Magic versus the G1?
In terms of the software, I think the keyboard is the key difference, really.
Okay.
In terms of the hardware, as I mentioned before, actually there's an increase in memory size on this.
So it's not running RC33. It's running an enhanced.
This is like a test. It's like a test bed. Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same.
So it does have more RAM and ROM?
So it has more internal memory, so it's got half a gig of internal memory, and that's important because that's where you store your market applications as well. So the other thing is got to increase battery capacity as well.
How big? How much more?
So it's 1340 milliamps, I think, off the top of my head. So.
And the camera, is it improved as well?
I think it's the same. I have to show you. It's a 3.2 megapixel camera.
Can you go back to the keyboard? Yeah. The keyboard.
Sorry? Yeah. I'll stick the keyboard up for you guys.
Yeah, sure. Okay. The other way around? Yeah, it's kind of like that.
And So I was told that this is not final hardware spec, and what is on the screen is final hardware spec.
So there's just a slight modification to the key setup down below there, so that's going to change slightly. So yeah,
and can you open the back and show us the memory card slot as well? Because I thought that this has a...
I'd rather not open the back, but it's got a micro SD slot. It's actually on the side, so you don't have to take the battery off.
Oh, you don't have to take the...
No, you definitely don't.
But you do have to take the cover off.
Yeah, you have to just slide the back cover off, but you don't have to take it off. So yeah, so this is...
Can you do the keyboard in landscape, or is it only in portrait?
So only supports portrait at the moment.
And what's the display size? 3.
So 3.2 HVGA screen.
Can you play?
No, so it only supports portrait at the moment, but it's actually quite nice to use. I'll show you. So, why not? So, and it does the quick search as well, and you'll find that quick search lookup feature you'll find across the device as well. So when you're searching within applications, this kind of quick search feature actually applies within applications as well. So that's quite nice. It's like leveraging slightly improved again from the previous product. So you can drop down the keyboard if you need to as well.
Does it have more than 3 panels, unlike the G1?
Sorry?
Does it have more than 3 panels, the display?
So this device only has the 3 as well.
Okay.
Same setup, yeah. But it's a really sleek device.
Can you walk through the hardware really quick, what the buttons mean and where they're...
Yeah, so it's very simple actually. So you've got a call start key, which I've not got any calls, but basically it brings up your dialer, so you can make a call. That's the first one. The home key, and you can use that from anywhere on the device, always brings you back to the center panel in the home screen. And then you have the back key. Now the way the back key works is it goes to your previous place. So if you've been browsing through the web for a few minutes and you hit the back key, it will jump through the history of your web browser. If you hit the back key, but you've only just launched the browser, it should take you, well, it's going to drop me back now, but eventually it will drop you back to the home screen as well. And the final one is the call end key as well. And you can click and hold on that to actually just power off the device as well. The final key is the menu key, and you hit that from anywhere, and then you get a context-sensitive menu. So here that we're seeing a menu options for the browser, and in fact, I can extend that a bit further and see some of the other options. And if I'm on, say, the home screen and I hit the menu key, I get menu options for the home screen as well. That's quite simple, to be honest. The user interface is very simple to use.
Thank you very much for showing us the demo of the HTC Magic.
No problem. Thanks for your time.